Imagine drawing your dinner and then printing it out, not on paper, but edible. That's the magic of modern food printers. Welcome to Programmable Food Printers Culinary Customization at Home. First, what exactly is a food printer? At its core, it's a kitchen device that uses additive manufacturing to create food layer by layer. Instead of plastic filament, it uses edible materials like chocolate, dough, or pureed vegetables. Think of it as a three-dimensional printer, but one that turns digital designs into edible art. Some models extrude ingredients through syringes, while others use edible ink to print colorful patterns on cookies or cakes. The process blends precision engineering with creativity in the kitchen. So why are programmable food printers gaining attention? Because they bring personalization and precision into everyday cooking. You can design your own pasta shapes, print intricate dessert decorations, or recreate restaurant-style plating at home. But the real potential goes beyond creativity. It's about nutritional customization. Since the printer controls exact ingredient amounts, it can help tailor meals to dietary needs. Imagine printing a protein-rich breakfast bar tailored to your workout plan, or a soft, nutrient-dense meal for someone with chewing difficulties. And there's another advantage: less waste. By printing only what you need in precise portions, you reduce leftovers and packaging. It's cooking that's not only creative, but also efficient and sustainable. Alright, here's how it works behind the scenes. Most printers use extrusion technology, basically pushing soft food grade materials through a nozzle to form shapes layer by layer. You can load cartridges with different ingredients like dough, mashed vegetables, or chocolate, and the printer just follows your design. Other printers use edible ink technology, spraying safe, food-based dyes onto baked goods for colorful, detailed decoration. The software lets you pick the shape, structure, or even the texture. Advanced systems can actually fine-tune the density of a bite, making it more chewy or airy. Some research printers even allow adjustment of nutritional content, balancing protein, sugar, and fiber ratios for personalized diets. And of course, safety and hygiene are key. All components must be food grade, and regular cleaning is, absolutely essential for safe use. If you're new to my channel, please check out my videos and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for your likes, shares, and subscriptions. Food printing isn't just an idea, it's already in action. The Foodini by Natural machines lets users print snacks, pasta, or personalized shapes from fresh ingredients. The Eddy printer by Primera prints full color designs directly onto cookies and macarons. And the Cocoa Press specializes in beautifully detailed three-dimensional printed chocolates. And for savory dishes, the FELIX Food 1.6 and PancakeBot take things further, printing intricate pancake patterns or customized meal portions made from mashed vegetables, doughs, or purees. These devices vary in complexity and price, from small countertop models for hobbyists to professional systems used by chefs experimenting with custom textures and nutritional blends. While the tech is promising, it's not without its quirks. Printing food takes time, and not every ingredient is printer friendly. Mixtures need the right texture to flow smoothly through the nozzle. Cleaning the machine between recipes can also be a bit of a chore. And while a printed chocolate rose might look stunning, for everyday meals, traditional cooking is still faster and more flexible. The cost of home-grade printers is slowly dropping, but they remain a niche tool for now, ideal for experimentation, not for replacing your stove. So, will programmable food printers replace chefs? Not quite. But they're redefining creativity in the kitchen. They combine design, nutrition, and technology into one fascinating tool. If you love experimenting with food, this is your next playground, a way to engineer flavor and form one layer at a time. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in another exciting one soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.